So, you want to start a YouTube channel to share your passions, connect with an audience, and maybe even build a brand. But then reality hits. The thought of expensive gear, the cameras, the lights, the microphones, has you sweating? Hey, I totally get it. It's a common hurdle for aspiring creators. When I started out, I was Googling best cheap YouTube setup, scouring forums for advice just like you. I remember feeling overwhelmed by all the options and price tags. Good news, you don't need to shell out big bucks to make great videos. High-quality content is achievable on a budget. Today I'm breaking down the best beginner YouTube gear, the essentials that won't break the bank, all under $100. We're talking about the tools you need to get started without emptying your wallet. Let's kick things off with microphones. This is where you absolutely shouldn't skimp. Because audio matters a lot. Clear audio is more important than crystal clear video, believe it or not. People will forgive slightly grainy visuals, but they won't stick around if they can't hear you properly. The Fifine K669B USB mic is a lifesaver for under $40. It's consistently recommended as a fantastic entry-level option. Plug it straight into your laptop and boom, your audio instantly levels up. No complicated setup, no need for an audio interface, just plug and play. If you shoot with your phone, which is perfectly fine for starting out, snag a Boya by M1 lavalier mic for about $15. This little mic packs a punch for its price. Just clip it on, and you'll sound crisp and clear. It eliminates that echoey, distant sound you often get when recording directly with your phone's built-in microphone. Tip: always record in a quiet space, free from distractions and background noise. And keep the mic close to your mouth for the best sound. Experiment with placement to find the sweet spot. Okay, now lighting. Let's move on to how to make yourself look good on camera. Don't underestimate good lighting. It can make your whole setup look pro. It can transform your video from amateur to polished. The Neewer 10-inch ring light is a solid pick, usually under $30. It's a fantastic value for the price. It's bright, easy to set up, and adjustable. You can control the brightness and color temperature to get the perfect look. Place it right in front of you, just above eye level for that perfect flattering glow. It smooths out your skin and makes your eyes sparkle. Bonus tip: if you're really on a shoestring and every penny counts, use daylight from a window. Free and super effective. Just make sure the light is soft and diffused, not direct sunlight. Next, up tripods. Let's talk about stability. A shaky video is a quick way to lose viewers, so let's keep things steady. Nobody wants to watch something that makes them feel seasick. The UB-size tripod is a favorite of mine, costs under $25, and works with phones and cameras. It's a versatile tool for any beginner. It's super portable, making it easy to take your show on the road, and the flexible legs mean you can set it up anywhere. Wrap it around a tree branch, perch it on a desk, the possibilities are endless. Pro tip: make sure your camera or phone is at eye level for the most natural look. It creates a more engaging and personal connection with your audience. Now let's talk about maximizing what you've got. Getting the most bang for your buck. Combine your gear. Think of your equipment as a team working together. Use that ring light to eliminate shadows and brighten your face. Clip on your mic to ensure clear and professional audio, and pop your phone onto the tripod for a steady and well-framed shot. And don't be afraid to get creative with backgrounds. Your background is part of your brand. A tidy space, a splash of color, maybe a plant. These small details can make a big difference. It all adds personality to your videos without costing a dime. Show off your unique style and interests. Remember, it's not about having the fanciest gear, it's about how you use it. Skill and creativity trump expensive equipment every time. Work with what you have, learn its limitations and strengths, focus on your message, on creating valuable content for your audience, and upgrade as you grow. Invest in better gear as your channel grows and generates revenue. Every big YouTuber started somewhere, often with very humble beginnings, and you're already on your way. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So what are you waiting for? The world is waiting to hear your voice. Grab your affordable setup and hit record. Don't let perfection be the enemy of progress. Who knows, your first viral video might be just around the corner. You might be the next big thing. Good luck, and I'll see you on YouTube. I'm excited to see what you create.